1-Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at some different meanings for make up. Make up means to create a story, usually a lie. For example, he made up a story about drinking with his friends, but he was actually with another woman. Make up can be used to become friendly again. For example, the office workers had an argument, but they later made up. Make up is used for the composition of something. For example, the New York sales team is made up of many different kinds of people. Make up can also be used to apply makeup. For example, the models were made up before the fashion show. Give it a go. Try making a sentence using make up and leave it in the comments below.